It's as much as what you do before you install the timing belt as how you install the timing belt. We're going to find out why next.
This video is sponsored by Continental, the future in motion. Visit our website for more information.
When I was a young technician doing some of my first timing belt jobs, I was so enthusiastic I would just rip into the job of taking off covers, checking the pulleys, checking the belt, and even removing the belt way before I should have. Today, when I do a job, well, the first step, even before I even crack the hood, I make sure that I look at the information to replace that timing belt and what's required as part of the job, and other additional items that should be serviced on the vehicle. The younger me, when they ripped into a job, well, they caused issues. I could knock the timing out of whack on the motor and cause the belt to slip and jump, and I wouldn't even realize it. But if you look at a lot of the instructions and service information, they'll give you all the key points to lock up the engine so you won't have these issues and you won't have a comeback and you won't have issues of fighting the belt itself. So if you see a young technician in your shop doing their first timing belt job and they start taking things apart, ask them, have they started to go through the service information and following the instructions to do the timing belt right the first time? It could save them a lot of time and a lot of frustration during the job. It can also save your shop a comeback. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.